What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to put on the Charge Sped wing that I have in my room that's been collecting dust. And yeah, that's all we're gonna do today. It's gonna be a short video, but I hope you enjoy it, and let's get to the video. This is the wing, Charge Sped wing. I painted it. It's been sitting in my room collecting dust. I think it's time to put it on. What I'm gonna do first is clean it. It's kind of dirty, so I want to clean it up. Make sure it don't look or have any dust residue, because I don't want it to like not stick on with the dope side tape, and I want it to look nice. So yeah, gonna wax clean it. So flip it on the other side. Some McGuire's wax. Oh shit. Yep. Pretty decent right now. All right. So you can see I cut some tape and put it on the spots I want it. For the best results, you wanna wait a minute, press down on it, and let it sit. You can use a heat gun. I have a heat gun, but I'm not gonna worry about that at the moment because I really not tripping because it's hot out. I'm gonna just leave it out in the sun for a bit and let it, you know, kind of stick onto it a little bit more. I'll leave it right here, gently, and it should be sticky enough. I'll come back to it in a bit. All right, here it is, guys. I just finished installing the wing on my car, the Charge Sped wing. I know that it's discontinued and it's my favorite wing besides the J Racing. I'm pretty sure it's a little bit longer and more pointy, or it points up a little bit, and you can see it has a little curve up here. I don't think the Charge Sped has that, it just goes straight. But this is the Charge Sped wing and I installed it on my car. It's not by any means perfect. It's not even flush because my SR wing is pretty, you know, beat up, and I'm just putting it on because I thought it's just about the time, you know, because I was tired of it sitting in my room and car season's about to be here, so I'm gonna just do with what I have, and it is what it is. The sun has melted the Gorilla Glue, or not glue, but Gorilla double-sided tape, and it's pretty sturdy. I've never had a problem, and I hope I don't. I don't want to jinx myself, but it holds, so it looks pretty okay. But by all means, it's not perfect, guys. And you know, I want it to be a little bit more perfect. I hate this side, but my wing right here, as you can tell, is broken, so it doesn't cover this part, so it looks so ugly. It has so much space. But damn, you know, it is what it is. Wash my car after this, so stay tuned, guys, for more content. Please like and subscribe. I know it was a short video, but content's hard to come by now since everything's closed. Well, not everything, but a lot of things are. But yeah, comment, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.